This is the third special treatment done to the Ertiga after the GT and Black Edition. The Ertiga Sport now has an aggressive body kit that makes it look far more appealing. Maruti Suzuki may or may not offer some elements of the Ertiga Sport in India. After the Ertiga Black Edition and the rather sporty Ertiga GT, the MPV has received yet another special makeover for the Indonesian market. Called the Ertiga Sport, it has a rather aggressive-looking body kit with extended bumpers and skirts. The all-black exterior has contrasting silver highlights around the bumpers, fog lamps and grille. There is a chin spoiler up front, while the rear has a sporty diffuser. The dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels are also part of the package apart from the roof-mounted spoiler. On the inside, the cabin comes with a dark color scheme. The faux wooden trim is present on the dual-tone dashboard and steering wheel, with a revised upholstery. The Indonesian spec model is powered by the 1.5-liter K15 petrol engine and is available with both manual and automatic transmission. The Ertiga Sport also comes with hill hold control. According to reports, in India, Maruti Suzuki has no plans to bring any of the special edition models. But we hope to see some elements of those special editions in India when the carmaker decides to update the highly successful MPV in the country. Meanwhile, Maruti's new in-house developed 1.5-liter diesel engine will replace the 1.3-liter motor in the Ertiga soon.